Hi, MTS crew. What is going on, y'all? I hope it's all good in the neighborhood. I'm getting ready to make another watermelon cake. This cake I'm making it for a friend of mine. She loved these watermelon cakes that I make. And this is going to be a little bit different from the one that I did before. If you go back about 2, 3 videos, you'll see it. This one, I'm going to go ahead and use whipped cream as my frosting. So I'm just going to trim this down real good and try to get it as round and straight and even as I can. So since I'm going to be adding whipped cream on this cake, I'm making sure that I dry it off really well because you know watermelons have moisture. So I got it all dried off real well. And if you want to put it in the refrigerator, you can for about 30 minutes. These are the fruits that I'm using: cherries, blackberries, strawberries, grapes. And this whipped cream goes on real well. It doesn't run or anything, especially when your watermelon is dry. So I'm using this as an icing, just like you would do a real cake. This is how I'm going to decorate this cake. Now, it doesn't matter how you put the whipped cream on. Just go ahead and get it on and just kind of cover up all of the red spots. Okay, now I have some unsweetened coconut. Everything in this cake is not, it's going to be unsweetened. The Cool Whip is unsweetened, sugar free. The only sweet thing in this cake is going to be the fruit, and the watermelon is delicious, y'all. It's really sweet. So I applied some coconut. Now I'm applying some sliced almonds. Yeah, I'm applying some sliced almonds on there, and I'm just putting a few leaves on there. Just this is just my decoration, y'all. My way of doing things. So I applied the leaves. We have the almonds. We have the coconut, and I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my fruit. I have blackberries also. So you just decide on the pattern that you want to use, and I mean it's very easy, and you go ahead and just follow your pattern. I kind of wanted this cake with the I have raspberries, blackberries, and I just kind of wanted them to kind of cascade around, and voila, the cake is done. And I have my grapes on the top as my topper, and I have the raspberries and the blackberries all in this cake. And this cake is delicious, y'all. You can use lemon leaves, whatever kind of leaves you use. If you use any leaves from off your tree, just make sure that you wash them real good and spray them with a little olive oil spray. This is the cake. I cut it, and this is my piece, y'all. It's delicious. It's refreshing. It's fat free. You can't ask for anything better. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had to speed things up just a little bit, but this cake is good. This is like a medium-sized watermelon, and I just, like I say, I cut it to, I would say, a cake size. And you also can cut it in half and do a tier cake. Look at the video I did before, and I did a tier cake. I put one piece on top of the other one, but this is just one whole piece, and I'm not going to discard the other pieces. We're going to eat the other pieces of this cake. So I asked my friend, could I go ahead and take a slice, and she said okay, but this is just a gift to her. Low fat, cool, delicious watermelon cake. Enjoy, y'all. Be good to yourself. And if you be good to yourself, you have no other choice but to be good to others. Thanks for watching.